Hey guys, it's Sean with the Rhinestone World. Today I'm going to show you how to create a multi-deck design using our cheer megaphone and our cheer and mom text. So the first thing we did is went ahead and wrote out cheer and mom, and we're using the impact font for this design. So once I have them both typed out, I'm going to go to my edit and I'm going to decrease the text spacing. So I'm just going to click this a few times. You'll see the letters start to come together. We want to leave a little gap, but when we're using a knockout design, we definitely want to have this text very close. So we're still looking for a little space between it. So something like this will look really good. So once we have that set up, we're just going to resize our text. So we're going to make each one 8 inches. Again, just 8 inches. And then I'm going to just highlight both of my text and hit the letter P. This is going to go ahead and center my design, and then I'll just slowly drag while holding shift and just line that up like that. So from here, if you want to stretch any of these out, so if you wanted mom just a little bit larger, we could pull that down. For this design, we're just going to kind of leave it like this, and I'm just going to add a little height to both. So once we have that set up, I'm going to go ahead and weld these together. And then I'm going to take my megaphone and just kind of place it over the top and set it up how I want the knockout. So something like that. I'm going to click on my megaphone, hold shift and select my text. And I'm going to come out to my knockout. You'll see the 0.02. So if you want a larger knockout, you can adjust that as well. So we can add it 0.06, hit our knockout button, and now that's just going to knock out our text for it like that. So once we have that completed, we're going to go ahead and go to our place and fill, and we're going to do it inside fill. We're going to add stones. We're going to click 0 island so it fills it in. We'll do a 0.09 contour. Looks a little bit cleaner. Alright, so you can see there's definitely going to be a little bit overlapping right now with the islands, but with our respacing tool, we'll go ahead and go through this design and just clean everything up. So I'm just going to highlight my text or my stones, go ahead and clear pass, and now I can kind of go through this design and edit any part that I need to. So I'll start on the circle. So again, a lot of stones through here are overlapping. So I can kind of just highlight those areas and maybe just do a merge overlap. And just with that, you can kind of see how clean that starts to make it. And then we can use our respacing tool to kind of clean it up just a little bit more. So if I come through here and just click on my 3 stones and hit my respacing, I'll start to see just by doing this through the design, it really does clean up. So I can move that, and you'll see the respacing tool can fix all that. Something through this area, you can try to move the stones around. If not, we can kind of just delete that out, and I can go through these stones and hit the respacing. So sometimes you might still have to move it just a little bit, but otherwise the respacing tool is going to kind of clean up your entire design through here. So again, we'll do the same thing, delete and then respace. Again, so something like here, it might just be quicker to merge, and then we can respace after. Go ahead and move these around, delete a couple of our stones here, and then you'll start clicking on the stones and hit the respace. Again, you might want to add just one if And we can add the once we respace, we can add stones. So I'm just going to grab these paths right here, hit the respace. It looks like there's an overlapping stone, so let's go ahead and I'm just going to merge this area that I'm working on. So now I can just come through here, hit the respace. Obviously, there's a little gap coming through here. So if I just hit up on our arrow, it will go ahead and just add a stone for you. So again, just coming through here and respacing everything, just cleaning everything up. If you get to an area like here, we can just go off, respace that, and again, just come back through here and respace it that way. Delete extra stones, come through here, and just hit the respace. And just highlight this area, and I'm just going to merge any overlapping stones, so you'll see that clean up a bit. Move those around, and again, I'm just coming through here and using the respace tool. So you'll start to see all these paths that we leave behind. So if we just highlight our area, hold shift and clear our paths, you'll see all those just go away just like that. So again, you might have a little bit of a gap here. So again, we can just come through this line, hit the respacing, and you'll see that clean up just like that. So again, anything through here, if it looks gappy, we'll just highlight it, hit our respace, and you'll see that all clean up as well. So with just a few respaces, you'll kind of see the big difference from our right side that we just cleaned up compared to our left over here. So we're just going to continue this process throughout the entire design, and then we'll have a clean looking multi-deck design. Alright, so once we're done, we'll go ahead and delete our background, and then we're just gonna show our customer how it's gonna look in the color. So we'll go ahead and do a neon glitter for the vinyl, and we'll go ahead and grab one stone color, select all the same, and change those to crystal. Throw it on a black background, and then we have a nice proof for our customer. So when we're applying the shirt, we're always going to use the vinyl first. We're just going to line that up quickly, Do about a 5-second press, make sure the vinyl stays down, and then we'll just layer our stones right on top, and it should line up pretty perfectly. And then we'll just do another 15-second press, and we have our t-shirt. Again, this was Sean with the Rhinestone World. Hope you enjoyed the video.